How to cancel your Instacart membership. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart and log into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left. Here, click on your account settings. After you click on your account settings, it will lead you to this page. Here, on the left side, you will find Instacart Plus. Simply click on it, and if you have Instacart membership, you can simply click on it, and then at the bottom you'll find cancel membership. Click on cancel membership and follow what it says at there, and you'll get an email confirming cancellation, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to cancel your Instacart membership. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.